Hello my friends, Bruce here. Well, another very generous subscriber has sent me something. So let's have a look what it is. It's from HD the Wise is his handle on YouTube. That's kind of cool. And let's just see what we got. Won't break anything. Oh, I'm getting there already. It's been a good week. I think just last week I got something too. I think it was the triple pliers. And you guys know, like, I think what happens is my subscribers see a deficiency in what I have, because I'm just a regular guy, right? I don't have a shop or anything like that, you know, that I work out of, like a professional. Boy, that's the guys that get paid to wrap this. Okay, sorry about the interruption there. Mrs. Bruce cut herself downstairs. She was cleaning out the freezer and she cut her finger, so we had to go to the hospital. But it was close and they just sent her home. Told her to put pressure on it and wrap it up, and she works on keyboard all day long, so she's going to have a rough couple of weeks. Taped up, pressured finger. So anyway, 2 hours later, I put the bibs back on so that I look like me. And this is exactly how I left it, so we will carry on. HD the Wise, good guy. Always has a good suggestion. Holy moly! There we go. Oh my goodness. All right, it says work lights. Oh, it's got, okay, it tilts. Rotating direction. Turn the switch to adjust the brightness, and a strong magnet on the bottom. Well, I'm sure he's been watching me fight with all this small engine stuff. Oh, and a USB charger. Cool! So it has an internal battery. Oh, wow. Maybe I can use it as a telephone. Kidding! So I wonder if there's any juice in it at all. Oh, I see. Back and forth this way, in any direction. Well, that's pretty darn cool. I wonder if there's any juice in it. How do I turn it on? Ah, wow. Okay. So, I got metal base. I think you guys are going to enjoy this as much as I am. Oh. You know I'm going to use this, buddy. Thank you. We'll make sure it's got a full charge. And we'll carry on. So thank you, HD the Wise, and all of you, my subscribers. Big event coming up in a couple of days, right? So stand by for that. Thank you.